Hello, everybody. Plant-Based Gabriel here. I just wanted to stop in. Well, I'd like to say welcome to the new kind of Plant-Based Gabriel studios. We've got some really good, important, fun, exciting things going to be happening here in the Plant-Based Gabriel studio. But what do you think of the background? Let me know below what you think. But a lot of good things happening and awesome things happening here in the next week or two really soon. So I wanted to just update you all some happenings that are going to be happening. So you have a chance to come see me or come get in touch and be a part of some really cool things. So first of all, this Saturday, if you are in Richmond, Virginia, if you're within 1,000-mile driving radius, you have no excuse. Well, you could have an excuse, I understand that. But you have no excuse not to be at the Richmond Veg Fest. This is the 18th year. I'm pretty sure it's the 18th year this has been going on. This is the biggest vegan event that happens in Richmond. It's one of the top 10 vegan-friendly cities in the United States. And yours truly will be speaking at 12:30, 1:45. I will be the second speaker. I'm going to be doing a cooking demonstration, talking about how I lost 100 pounds, but more than just talking, showing you exactly how I made two of my favorite foods that helped me lose 100 pounds on a healthy, plant-based, and vegan diet. And here's a sneak peek. It's my two favorite foods. It's nice cream and burgers. I'm going to show you exactly how I make my nice cream and burgers. That's exciting. That's coming up. Next, on the 21st of, so that's September 14th, this Saturday. I'll record it as well, so that should come up here as well. But on the 21st, my first time attending, this will be Pawpaw the Pawpaw Festival, put on by my buddy Michael Judd. It's going to be in Frederick, Maryland. It is going to be exciting. There's not a lot, but there's a few good Pawpaw festivals that happen. This is the East Coast premier Pawpaw Festival is what I'm told. They're going to have pawpaw for sale, pawpaw trees. It's just going to be a great time, get together of a bunch of pawpaw fanatics. And you know I'm a pawpaw fanatic. And then lastly, we have the Healthy for a Lifetime Conference, which is happening Saturday, October 19th in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, I know the event coordinators, and they have gone out of their way to put together the best. I mean, we're talking about such a great event. It's going to be fantastic. But they've made sure, knowing that it's going to be in Nebraska, very close to Lincoln, where, I played football at the University of Nebraska. Go Huskers. It's not a home game Saturday. The Huskers, Huskers aren't going to be there. It's going to be the biggest event that's going to be happening in Nebraska on October 19th is going to be the Healthy for a Lifetime Conference. Again, I will be speaking there. I'm going to be talking about how I went from a starting football player for the University of Nebraska to breaking my back, ballooning up in weight, then finding a healthy, whole food, plant-based diet, losing 100 pounds, and now how I've been able to help others follow in the same footsteps. Well, hopefully not have to break their back and gain a bunch of weight, but hopefully follow my footsteps in the ways of finding a plant-based vegan diet, losing weight, living more healthfully. Some other speakers, guys, it's kind of a really big deal. We've got Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn Jr., T. Colin Campbell from the China Study. We've got Sarah Stancic, who just had a movie come out, Code Blue, which is about her journey. Through being a sick individual, going in and being a patient. She's a doctor as well, but her journey is really awesome. So you're not going to want to miss it. There's some more speakers, a lot more doctors. We've got Cyrus from Mastering Diabetes, and it's going to be really great. You just can go on and on. We've got Melissa, who's going to be doing some demonstrations. She's a certified plant-based food expert, and so it's going to be really great, and it's going to be a fun September and start of October here. What do you think of the background? I really like it. I hope you guys do too. I'm going to be starting to do got a show coming out. A show for you, those of you who follow along, who enjoy my easy plant-based recipes, my simplistic yet effective takes on a plant-based diet. We've got a show coming out for you. It's going to be coming out really soon. Going to be speaking with some really awesome people. You're going to enjoy it. I know I'm enjoying it, and I'm going to enjoy it. And let's keep making a difference. But yeah, I just wanted to stop on, everybody, tell you about a few things that are coming up, show you my new background. Dr. Miller wasn't sold on it. I'll tell you this. She said it's a little bit... Hey, Dr. Miller, what did you say about the background? Busy. She said it's a little busy. That doesn't seem like such a bad thing. Busy. Hey, look at this. There's apples, and we've got some greens, looks like cabbage, some onions, peanuts down there. You know, we're not going to eat a ton of those. We're going to really an ounce a day-ish, you know. Hey, I like the background. I hope you guys do too. Yeah, expect some really fun stuff coming up here. That's all we have for today. But yeah, if you haven't heard already, I love you. Remember, the two things that really matter, if you want to change yourself, you want to change the world around you, especially when we're talking about helping others find, adopt, and enjoy and thrive on a plant-based diet, is you got to love and lead them. You got to love those people that you really want to help make a difference in their lives, and you got to lead them. You got to lead by example. Nobody's going to follow you. You can tell them how great a plant-based diet is, how the benefits of a vegan diet, are, but if you're not, leading by example, if you're not being a healthy individual, showing that it's not only good for the environment, good for the animals, good for the ecosystem, but it's good for us. It's good for you. It's good for me. It's good for everybody. It's good for all parties involved. That's the big difference. Love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Sorry we didn't have a live stream this past Sunday. I was busy for some reason. I forget now. But yeah, we'll be back on the swing of things. And yeah. No, we've got some news coming up here. But we'll keep that till next time. We'll see ya.